Well, good morning and thanks for joining us here on Market Day Report. Agriculture, it does depend on uniquely skilled, job-ready professionals. Well, the Nebraska College of Technical Ag is working to help develop that workforce through hands-on education. Interim Director Dr. Kelly Bruns joins us now to talk about their mission. Appreciate you being here. From what I hear, this college is known as a small campus, but a very big field. Tell us about that.
Yes, that's correct. This campus is located in southwest Nebraska, in Curtis, Nebraska. And one of the unique things about it is that we offer 2-year degrees, and we also offer certificate programs in the areas of ag mechanics, as well as welding and irrigation technology. And the aspect about the small campus is that in a few weeks, everyone is going to know the students' names and they'll know each other. And then the bigness comes from our extensive infrastructure. We have a 400-acre campus there in Curtis, as well as a 2,500-acre ranch where we maintain 160 cows, both fall and spring calving. And then we have horses, cattle, hogs, and sheep. We'll be kidding our goats here shortly. And that supports our hands-on learning. And then our vet tech program has a host of animals that they use to train their students.
Wow, Dr. Bruns, it sounds like a dream university, a college there. One of the things that I know you're most known for, the vet tech program. Tell us about your new online program there.
Yes, our new online program for veterinary technology was done in collaboration with veterinarians across the state. And what we heard was that our students that are place-bound in rural communities can't come to Curtis for this training. So we developed the online content, what they can use online, and the veterinarians then work to train those students with their hands-on training. So it's a good collaboration.
Well, we often talk about uniquely skilled, right? Job ready, hands-on experience. NCTA provides many opportunities for students. Highlight some of those opportunities for us. Maybe somebody's watching that is thinking about attending.
Yes, we have, like any other 2-year institution across the U.S., we have this unique aspect of having livestock and agronomy judging teams and agribusiness. We also have a very competitive rodeo and ranch horse team. And one thing that's very unique to NCTA, we have a stock dog team that is coached by one of our staff members. And that, we believe, is the only stock dog team in the nation where they learn to train their dogs and then take those dogs on to competitions.
This sounds, I got to tell you, I feel like I'm ready to sign up. I mean, just going there just to see it is amazing. Some folks watching, they want to learn about more of the programs that are offered. Where can they get more information?
Yes, you can go to our website, which is ncta.unl.edu, but we would really like you to make a trip to Curtis and see the small campus and interact with our students as well as our faculty. You can follow us on our social media platforms. If you can't make it to campus once a month, we have virtual tours where families can join and interact with students. And I think for your viewers, the big thing is, if you know of a student that wants to learn by doing, we really would like them to come to NCTA.
It really does sound amazing. You must love teaching there.
It's an amazing place with some very unique students from really not only across Nebraska, but this region.
I love it. Thank you so much again for joining us and taking the time. We do appreciate it. Dr. Kelly Bruns with the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture.